Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Diversity Tokyo Plaza opened in 2012 with the concept of a theatrical city space. The complex has 7 floors. With several well-known American apparel stores, high-end fashion brands, and specialized Japanese souvenir shops. On the top floor, you can spend a few hours at Round 1, an entertainment facility, which has a bowling alley, karaoke, and arcade games. The food courts offer a large selection, including fast food, international cuisine, and Japanese food. Located in Odaiba in Tokyo Bay, Diversity is easily accessible from Shimbashi Station on the Yurikawa monorail, a 5-minute walk from Daiba Station. A great way to spend an afternoon, with Dex Tokyo Beach and Aquacity nearby for more shopping and entertainment. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcomed by the gargantuan 19.7-meter, life-sized unicorn Gundam statue, Diversity Tokyo Plaza embodies its concept as a theatrical urban space, offering a place to play, learn, relax, and just taking each moment of surprise and inspiration. Tantalize all 5 senses at this unforgettable destination that's like none ever before. Unicorn Gundam! Ikimasu! They do the full transformation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Located in Daiba and fronted by a life-sized model of a Gundam, the 7th-floor Diversity Tokyo Plaza has all the leading fashion brands, such as Old Navy, Uniqlo, Lacoste, Adidas, and Diesel. On the ground floor, there is a food court, and the 6th floor has more formal restaurants serving a variety of world foods. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Step inside the mall to find some 150 fashion and lifestyle shops, complete with anything and everything from imported brands to domestic and international casual labels. When hunger strikes, you'll be glad to know there's dining options abound at the expansive Tokyo Gourmet Stadium, a food court seating approximately 950, with a full Rolodex of restaurants and cafes that serve a taste experience to excite all five senses. First-time visitors to Japan can take a peek in the Maid Cafe for a unique experience or make reservations to explore Gundam Front Tokyo, a shop exhibit dedicated to the Japanese animated TV series. More run-of-the-mill entertainment options include tennis and bowling. There is an exchange bureau, and duty-free shopping is available at some stores. The restaurants stay open later than the boutiques. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.